today, let's start with chapter number 7, data and memory. In this chapter, we will study about how computer works, memory and storage device. Now let's start with the chapter. Now let's learn how a computer works, how your computer works. In school, when your teacher tells what do you like, open your notebook and draw a line, you do it. Take it. When your teachers asks in the classroom or in school, what do you like, and draw, like open your notebook and draw a line on it. What she's asking you, that you have to open your notebook and draw a line on it. The same way a computer also needs you to tell it what to do. You give instruction to a computer in the form of data. Like your teachers are giving you instruction, you also give instruction to the computer, then only he does your work. And the computer follows these instructions, processes them, and shows you final result. And the final work done by a computer is in the form of information. The information you give. A computer works on the IPU cycle. Input, process, and output. You are giving him the instruction. You are giving it an instruction. You are giving instruction to the computer. And then what computer is doing? Processing your information and giving you a output. This is known as information. Like you are giving the information that 3 plus 5. And what computer processed it and gave you a result that is 8. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Data and information. What is data and information? The instructions that you are giving to a computer, that is data and information. To work with a computer, we need to give it some kind of data and instruction to get information. And what is data? It is the collection of unorganized words. Data, it is the collection of unorganized words, number and images. And information. What is information? It is a meaningful and organized data. This is the difference between data and information. Data, it is unorganized, and information is organized and meaningful. Now, Nikita favorite color pink class 1. This is data. It's data. The information you are giving that Nikita is in class first and her favorite color is pink. So this is your data. It is not organized. It is unorganized. And this is your information, which you have organized and a proper information you have given. That Nikita, she's in class first and her favorite color is pink. Our next topic is memory. You remember your name, your address, your mobile number. Now, contact number, and because this information is stored in your memory. आपके brain में information stored है. That's why you know your name, your address, your contact number, and what is your roll number. That's why you understand and you keep it in your brain. And the same way, computer can also remember data information by storing them in its memory. It can store a lot of information and save it, and we can use the saved information for future. Like you save your data in your memory in your brain, like this computer also saves a lot of information. One disadvantage is that a human being can lose that information with a certain period of time, but computer keep this information safe till you keep it in your computer. It's keep all the data safe. As much data you want to save, you can save in the computer memory. And what you do, you can also use this data for the future use. Now, human memory and computer memory. There's a vast difference between human memory and computer memory. Computer has a larger memory than human and does not forget anything. Okay? Computer, it has large memory and it does not forget anything. Like human being, after the passage of time, what human beings, what they do, they forget the information. Now children, look at this. This is a school bag. Every day you carry your school bag for keeping the books and notebooks. So this is a storage place of your books and notebooks. Like you have a school bag, you go to school, you keep some books, notebooks, box, lunch box, bottle in your school bag. It is your storage device. Like this computer also have different storage device. One by one, I will explain you all the storage device of the computer. Let's now look at this, what it is. It is a refrigerator. In the refrigerator, what we keep? We keep our fruits, vegetables, drink, fresh and cool. So it is also a storage place for food, fruits and vegetable and things. Like this, our computer also has. What are the storage device that computer has? In the same way, the work that we do on a computer stored in some storage device so that you can access them in the future. So what you do, you store the data in the storage device that you can use that data for the future use. Now let us move ahead to know about the various storage devices. I will tell you the various storage devices that we use in our computer to store data. Like first is your hard disk. This is your hard disk. Hard disk, it is a stores huge amount of data. It fixes in the system unit. Each computer must have hard disk. What it do? It store huge amount of data. It get fixed on your computer and in your system unit. It fixed in the system unit. Each computer must have hard disk. Every computer must have a hard disk to store data. Next is pen drive. This is your pen drive. It also stores huge amount of data, but lesser space than hard disk. The space that is less than the hard disk. It is smaller in size than the hard disk, so you can carry with you yourself. It is handy. It is portable. You can carry anywhere you want to carry. It is easily connected to USB port of the system cabinet. Another name for the pen drive is flash drive. Flash drive, pen drive is also known as flash drive, and you can easily connect it to the USB port. Next is your CD, that is compact disk. CD stores lesser amount of data than the hard disk of pen drive. It is also small in size. You can carry it with yourself. It is cheaper than other storage device. It stores lesser data as compared to hard disk and pen drive. It is cheaper. It is cheaper and small in size, and you can carry anywhere you want to carry it. Next is your DVD. That is your digital versatile disk. It stores large amount of data than CD and it produces better quality picture. You can store large amount of data as compared to CD and it gives you better quality picture. Next is memory card. It is also a storage device. It comes in different sizes. They are used in camera, mobile phone and any other device. You can use them in the mobile phone, like you can see that we use in the mobile phone or camera, and other storage device you can use them. Now, our chapter has been completed. In this chapter, I have told you about how computer works. It works on the IQ cycle. You give instruction input to the computer, it processes the computer, it processes it in it, and what it's do, it's give you output in a form of information. Then I have differentiate between data and information. Data, it is an unorganized, and information, it is a organized. Then I have told you about different storage device, like we store things in a school bag or a refrigerator. We computer also have different storage device like pen drive, hard disk, CD, DVD. These are the different storage device that our computer has. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.